Why do 100% of crickets chirp? The secret will chirp you out. Crickets chirp by rubbing their wings together. This process is called stridulation. The wings have a special set of teeth-like structures. When they rub them, it creates that familiar chirping sound. Only male crickets chirp, and they do it to attract females, defend territory, and warn off rivals. The pitch and speed of the chirping can vary with temperature. So, if you hear a cricket chorus on a warm night, that's why. Next time you hear that chirp, you'll know it's a cricket's way of saying, "Hey there world, I'm here. Thanks for watching." Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool science facts.